We remodeled this bank back in 2008, and when we did, the contractor we used was out of Atlanta, and they had their own air conditioning company that they worked with, so they came in and put all the ACs in when we remodeled in 2008. After 4 or 5 years, when that contract expired, we had used Star previously, and we're happy with the service. And when Jimmy came out and told us about the contract and how they can make this thing work for me, it was like a no-brainer. It's time to go back.
So the agreement we have in place with the Bank of St. Francisville is our fixed cost agreement, which we maintain the equipment so it doesn't fail. And if it does, we repair or replace it on our dime.
Well, one, from the budget side, being CFO, and I know what my bill's going to be every month, but also the service. The fact that I can call and typically within an hour, you've got somebody out here taking care of my problem. And it's not my problem, it's your problem. That's the great part about it.